In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D book in Cinema 4D. We'll cover two clean workflows, a fully manual method for maximum control using a spline-wrapped page, and a faster automated method using the Book Generator plugin. By the end, you'll know which approach suits your project and how to set it up for convincing page turns. Let's start with the manual spline approach. Begin by creating a cube to represent a single page. Scale it to your desired page size and increase its segments along the direction you want to bend. More segments mean smoother deformation. Keep the thickness small so the page feels realistic, but avoid making it paper thin to prevent shading artifacts. Next, add a spline wrap deformer and place it with the cube so it deforms that object. This deformer will bend the page along a spline. To control the path dynamically, create a Mow spline. Think of the Mow spline as the driver. When you animate it, the cube will follow. Assign the Mow spline as the spline for the spline wrap, and align the wrap so the page bends from the book's spine outward. If the page twists unexpectedly, check the axis and the up vectors so the orientation stays consistent. For animation, you can keyframe the Mow spline's growth or curvature to simulate a page lifting, curling, and settling. Subtle easing helps sell the weight of the paper. To create a full book, duplicate the cube for additional pages. Offset their animation slightly so pages don't intersect. If you need a hardcover look, make your cover from a thicker cube and leave it unwrapped or only gently deformed so it keeps its rigidity. Now, if you want speed and flexibility without building everything by hand, use the Book Generator plugin. With just a few clicks, you can generate a complete book, choose between hard or soft covers, and set the number of pages. The plugin provides convenient controls for page thickness, spine width, and overall dimensions, and includes texture slots so you can assign your cover art and page textures right away. It's ideal when you need many variations or a clean base you can tweak further. Use the manual spline method when you want artistic control over individual page motion and custom curls. Choose the plugin when you need a finished book quickly, with solid defaults and straightforward styling. Either way, you'll have a convincing 3D book ready for stills or animation.